Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Dave in here, always helping you play creatively. Today we're looking at the song Goodness of God, and we are looking at a reharmonized version that I worked on for this song. Now, really, this reharmonized version is just designed to teach you how you can reharmonize. So go ahead, examine the concepts. Don't just try to learn the chords, but try to understand the concepts behind each reharmonization, okay? So before we get into it, I want to tell you a story, and that is kind of the story behind this song, me posting it on Instagram and then it blowing up, but blowing it up because of all the negative feedback surrounding it. So I'm going to read you the comments I got when I posted this song. Someone said, no, 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 it's a no. The chords don't match the song. You can't put someone in the spirit with those chords. Another person wrote, too much of anything is bad. Play straight chords and make the song enjoyable. Another right next to that was, we are actually killing gospel melodies, jazzifying them not necessary. Jazz music is different from gospel music. Let's get the culture right. And then this other person wrote, sorry that you've gotten so much negative feedback on this one. I thought this guy was on my side. I get that it feels good reharmonizing with chords that work so well together. But yeah, I agree with the majority. The power of this song is in its simplicity. That's why folks can't get with you. Go back, listen to CC. All you need is the 1-4-1-6-4-5. Everybody here made an assumption about me. They made an assumption, either this, I think that I somehow was playing this to show off and say, hey, look at my really cool chords, or they made the assumption that this is what I play in church. But I've actually never played it like this in a service, and you guys know we reharmonize a lot of Christian contemporary songs here. And it's really just to teach you guys how to be more creative in your piano playing. It isn't meant for you to always take every single thing that we do and apply it to every single song. So anyway, I thought that was an interesting story because of the negative feedback that I got. I mean, I got literally maybe over 100 negative comments. And it's also what led to my Instagram channel actually getting some growth behind it. So I thought that was pretty cool. Anyway, here we go with the song, Goodness of God. I'm going to go ahead and play it for you one time, and then we're going to go through those chords. So, in all my life you have been faithful. In all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. All right, let's talk about it. So what's happening here? We have an E flat major 7. Now, I like to think of this next chord, as an F over an E flat with a dominant 7, okay? So F over E flat with a dominant 7. Going down to B flat, faithful, B flat, add 2 over D, and then an F minor 7 with a 4 or 11. And then we repeat that. And all my life you have been so, so good. Now I think this is the part where everybody maybe got all upset with me. This is an E flat minor 7 flat 5. With every breath, over to an A 7. Breath that I am able. This is a D minor 7. And this was the chord that the guy said, there was one person that said, I made him upset with this one somehow. All right, E over G. So I like to think of this chord as a G major 13 with a flat 9 or sharp 9. Actually, this is a G. Yeah, this should be really a sharp 9. All right. I will sing C minor 7 of the goodness F13 of God. And anytime I end a song, I like to play the 1 5 1 followed by the 2 3 5, and I just like to walk it up like that. So all right, I don't have any more keys. I got a little short keyboard right here, but that's the idea. Anyway, that's the entire song there for you. So if you would like to learn how do chords work, I just don't want to play a song without understanding why those chords work together, then I definitely recommend you check out the courses at playcreatively.com. There you really will find everything you need to grow as a piano player. It's made to help you play more creatively. But until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next time.